everyone, my name is Rini. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a very easy way to have this spicy fried noodles. We will use a very simple recipe. It only takes 5 minutes. I will use the chicken breast in can, and also we will have the eggs. I will show you a very easy way to have a perfect fried egg. So let's start.
First, heat the water until it's boiling. The package of fried noodles includes small packs of spicy sauce and flakes. Put the noodles into the boiling water. Boil for 4 minutes. During the wait, we'll prepare a fried egg. Cut the onions to the middle since we need a whole ring of the onion. That way we can use the raw onion ring like a mold to fry the egg. Preheat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Put in the onion and pour the egg white into the onion ring first. Use low heat for about 1 minute or until the bottom part is solid. Then pour the egg yolk into the center. Fry it about 2 minutes or until the softness you like. Add a pinch of black pepper and salt. Okay, the perfect fried egg is done. Open a can of chicken breast. Now the noodles are ready. Put the noodles into the pan that we used earlier for the fried egg. Add the package of spicy sauce. And then the chicken breast. You don't need to turn on the heat, since the remaining heat on the pan is enough. Add some green onions and mix them well. Very easy and fast. And lastly, don't forget the packet of flakes. That's it.
Okay, now it's time to eat. Wow. Let's try it. Kind of spicy, but really good. Let's try the egg. Very soft. And the chicken. Just a little tiny bit spicy. I just put the whole package of the spicy sauce inside. If you cannot eat spicy food, if you cannot eat too spicy food, you can just put half of the package. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time on Always Cooking. Bye!